Alright, so my mom got the Goliath bone here for my baby puppies. And they're excited. I'm recording it so that she can see how excited they are. Look at that, they want your bone so bad! Don't you? And I put out some carpets so that they don't destroy ours. Let's see how this goes. Ready? There you go. Bella's just like, what? Seriously? You're not into it? Get it. Good girl. Get it. Is it just too big?
Maybe they just need to know that they're actually chewable toys.
Good girl! Good girl, Abby! Good girl! Good girl, Belle! Good babies! Get it! Get it! Come on, get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Good girl, Abby! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl, Belle! Good girl! Good babies! Yeah! Good girls! That's funny. That wasn't nearly as exciting as I thought it would be. Well, here you go, you guys. You at least got to see my cute little puppies. Yeah! Hope you all are having a good day. Okay, bye-bye.